How to promote Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. So first, what you actually need to have is obviously your YouTube channel, and you're going to also need an Amazon Associates account. So if you don't have one already, just go ahead and look up Amazon Associates, and you're going to be able to sign up for free. Once you actually sign up to Amazon Associates, you're going to be able to now get affiliate links from Amazon products. So that will be step one. Just go to Amazon.com, look for the products that you want to get the affiliate links to, open them up, and now you should be able to see this site stripe here on the top, which is going to allow you to get your link. You're going to see the commission rate for it, the category, and you're going to have this option to click on Get Link. So once you actually click on that, you're going to be getting your link. You simply just want to copy it. And now it's going to be you creating your shorts about this product. So you can just feel free to use any application that you want for editing and stuff. But what I wanted to show you here with Canva is that you may want to add some sort of text that says something along the lines of the link is going to be in the About section of your YouTube channel. Because shorts don't really allow you to have links that are clickable, so people can't just view shorts and click on that link directly. So you're going to have your video ready to go, and you're going to say this sort of thing in your video. Then what you want to do is just go back to your YouTube channel, and from here, once you're in your YouTube channel, you want to basically upload your shorts. So you can just click on create from the top right, upload video, and basically just go ahead and drag and drop your video. So once you have your video published and everything is ready to go, what you want to do is just make sure you're in YouTube Studio. As you can see, scroll down until you find the customization tab, click on that, and you want to scroll down until you find the links option here. So you just want to click on add link, go ahead and give it a title, which is going to be most likely the name of the product or whichever title that you actually want. And lastly, you just want to paste in the link right here and click on publish from the top right corner, and you are pretty much good to go. This is the best method possible to promote your Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube Shorts. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.